In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print poster size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed a large poster but only have a regular home or office printer, Acrobat Pro DC makes it easy by splitting one big page into multiple tiled sheets that you can assemble later. We'll walk through the exact settings so your print comes out at the size you expect and is simple to put together. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With the document on screen, open the Print dialog. You can do this from the File menu by choosing Print, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows, or Command+P on a Mac. This takes you to the central place where all poster settings live. In the Print window, first select the printer you'll be using. Then look for the Page Sizing and Handling section and choose Poster. This tells Acrobat to tile the single page across multiple sheets. Next, configure the poster options tile scale. Controls how much the document is enlarged across the tiles. At 100%, you'll print at the original size. Pushing the percentage higher increases the overall dimensions of the finished poster. If you want something roughly twice as big, raise the scale accordingly and watch how the preview updates. Overlap determines how much each sheet extends under the neighboring sheet to make joining easier. A small overlap gives you room to trim and tape without leaving gaps. Choose a value that's comfortable for your trimming tools and paper weight. Cut marks add small guidelines at the tile edges. Enabling this makes it straightforward to trim precisely and align the pieces. Labels will print the file name and page number on each tile, which helps you keep track of order when assembling a larger layout. Before you commit to paper, review the preview pane. It shows exactly how your PDF will be split across the pages, how many sheets you'll need, and how the edges line up. Adjust tile scale or overlap until the layout and page count look right for your project and printer. When everything looks good, click Print. Make sure you have enough paper loaded for the job. That's it. Thanks for watching.